Hi guys, so quiz 2 for the week of the 10th of August. I'm going to be uploading this on Wednesday, but it is being recorded a bit beforehand, so it's all correct as of the week prior. And similarly, any results will be going into the Facebook chat once the Wednesday has rolled around. Hopefully I'll have quite a few emails in that video, and I can put everybody in order for physical round as well. And thank you to everybody who's already done it. A couple of you did it on Wednesday. Right, so round one, let's jump straight in. Round one is, again, I'm using YouGov, and it was correct on the 7th of August. The top 10 social networks by popularity. So we're talking about internet-based social networks. Some of them are not the usual style of social network, but they are classified as social networks. Okay, so round two. We have our connections round up next. So if you're listening to these all back to back, do remember to have a little pause. I will be just kind of rattling through them, and then you can pause them as you see fit. So round two is our connections round. As always, the questions are general knowledge, but the answers have a connection. So question 10 will be, what is the connection in this round? Question 1 is, which Chinese fictional character was the titular villain in a series of novels written by Sax Rohmer between the 1930s and the 1950s? Which Chinese fictional character was the titular villain in a series of novels written by Sax Rohmer in the 1930s to the 1950s? Question 2. What EB, so the initials to this answer are EB, what EB is a type of black tea originating from Assam, Ceylon and Kenya? What EB is a type of black tea originating from Assam, Ceylon and Kenya? Question 3. Where would you find a brake, a throttle, a clutch and a horn on a motorbike? Where would you find the brake, throttle, clutch and horn on a motorbike? Question 4. What system of units were defined in the UK in 1824, but now are only officially used in the US, Liberia and Myanmar? So what system of units were defined in the UK in 1824, but are now only officially used in the US, Liberia and Myanmar? Question 5. What type of crab that isn't actually a crab are commonly referred to as living fossils and have been the basis of the Pokemon Kabuto? What type of crab that isn't actually a crab are commonly referred to as living fossils and have been the basis of the Pokemon Kabuto? Question 6. What type of skirt is slim fitting with a straight narrow cut with the hem usually on or just below the knee? What type of skirt is slim fitting with a straight narrow cut with the hem usually on or just below the knee? Question 7. What hygiene implement replaced the chew stick, although this is still commonly used in pets? What hygiene implement replaced the chew stick, although this is still commonly used in pets? Question 8. What large flippered mammal, marine mammal, mostly lives in the Arctic Ocean and is the only remaining species in the Odobenidae family? Odobenidae. Why do I put Latin words in these quizzes? What large flippered marine mammal, which mostly lives in the Arctic Ocean, is the only remaining species in the Odobenidae family? Question 9. What shape is a V-shaped mark, often inverted on an insignia or displayed on the arm demonstrating military rank? What shape is a V-shaped mark, often inverted on an insignia or displayed on the arm demonstrating military rank? And question 10, as always, what is the connection between all of the answers to questions 1 through 9? And I'll leave a little pause so that you can pause and have a little think. Alright, little cut there as I realised that I didn't have my headphones in. So, round 3. Round 3 is a nice quick one. And it's back to our spelling bee. So I'm going to give you 5 things to spell. For each one you can have 2 points if it's correctly spelt, and if it has 1 spelling mistake in it you can have 1 point. More than 1 spelling mistake you get nothing for that question. So your 5 words to spell are receive, rendezvous, napalm, leprechaun and renaissance. So receive as in the opposite to give, rendezvous to adjourn, to go somewhere and gather, napalm as in the fire-based attack, leprechaun, small green Irish dude, and renaissance as in the artistic period. Spell them without your phones. And round 4. Round 4 is the missing vowels round. So in this one I have taken 3 categories. In each one there is 4 answers, so there are 12 points available here. And I have just removed the vowels from each one of the answers. So if you were to see the letter D, G, and the category was mammals, the answer would be dog. Okay, I've removed the vowel from the word dog. No other rules other than that. Spaces have been taken out with all but the 3rd round, because the 3rd round's a little bit tougher. Okay, so I'm going to add those images now.